Drug index. Health is wealth. Today we are going to see amoxicillin. It is our next drug on our channel. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and let's go deep and see what amoxicillin looks like and how it works, why you need it, who should take it, like interesting things like those ones. Before we go deep, let's see something about amoxicillin. Amoxicillin is a penicillin antibiotic. It is used to treat bacterial infections such as chest infections, including pneumonia, dental abscesses. It can also be used together with other antibiotics and medicines to treat stomach ulcers. It's often prescribed for children to treat ear infections and chest infections. Amoxicillin is only available on prescription. It comes as capsules or as a liquid that you swallow. It's also given by injection, but this is usually done in hospitals only. Another question that you should ask yourself is who can and who cannot take amoxicillin. Amoxicillin can be taken by most adults and children. That means many can take it. Find out more about giving amoxicillin to children on a website like Medicine for Children, websites like those ones. They are having information about the amoxicillin for children. Amoxicillin is not suitable for everyone. As I said before, a medicine or a drug or a tablet, it can't be suitable for everyone. To make sure amoxicillin is safe for you, just go to your doctor. If you're not feeling fine, just go to your doctor. Have you ever had like an allergic reaction to amoxicillin or penicillin or any other medicine? So inform your doctor before he or she prescribes this drug to you. Have liver or kidney problems, so inform your doctor about this. Have recently had or due to have any vaccination. So these are the informations. Once you go to the doctor to avoid adverse effects of this drug, you should inform your doctor about this. How and when to take amoxicillin. The usual dose for amoxicillin capsules is 250 to 500 mg, taken 3 times a day. The dose may be lower for children because they can't take the same dose as adults. Amoxicillin liquid is available from 125 to 250 mg doses. Carry on taking this medicine until you completed the course, even if you feel like you are not feeling the same way you felt before, because the infection could come back, and when it comes back, it might be stronger than before. So better finish the prescription that you were given by your doctor. Try to space the doses evenly throughout the day. If you take it 3 times a day, this could be first this morning or midday and at bedtime. Like in the morning you take one, midday you take one, and even at night you take another one. So you give spaces between these drugs. You can take amoxicillin before or after food. It has no interaction with food, so you can take it at any time that you might want, either after eating or before eating, as long as you have no issue. Swallow amoxicillin capsules whole with a drink of water. Do not chew or break them. Like some people might like try to chew them or break them in the mouth, but it's better to take it directly with water so that it goes direct. Amoxicillin is available as a liquid for children and people who find it difficult to swallow capsules. If you or your children are taking liquid amoxicillin, it will usually be made up for you by your pharmacist. The medicine will come with a plastic syringe or spoon to help you measure out the right dose. If you do not have one, ask your pharmacist for one. Do not use a kitchen teaspoon, or as it will not measure the right amount as you should take. Another question you should ask yourself, like if you forgot to take your tablet, maybe you were taking it 3 times a day, and you feel like you skipped the one in the morning, or you skipped the one, or at midday, or you skip the one of night, like what can you do? If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember, unless it's nearly time for your next dose. In this case, just leave out the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Never take two doses at the same time. Never take an extra dose to make up for a forgotten tablet. If you forget doses often, it may help to set an alarm to remind you. You should also ask your pharmacist for advice on other ways to remember your medicines. Like you feel you have that kind of forgetting, but actually don't do that. It's a medicine and you need to get well. If you take too much, what happens, or what can you do? Taking an extra dose of amoxicillin is unlikely harm to you or your children who might be taking this, but speak to your pharmacist or doctor if you are worried. You have taken more than prescribed dose of amoxicillin and have symptoms including like if you take it, you will be having these symptoms like stomach pain, or you're being sick, or blood in your pee, difficult peeing, or producing less pee than usual. So if you are taking amoxicillin and you see those signs, just go to the doctor and inform him about this, so they know in a way which they can help you. Side effects of this drug, amoxicillin, like all medicines, amoxicillin can cause side effects, although not everyone gets them, so it depends on person to person. Those common side effects happen in around 1 in 10 people. That is, like, the drug sounds to be more safe. Like if in 10 people 1 person gets those side effects, so the drug sounds to be safe. Keep taking the medicine, but talk to your doctor or pharmacist if these side effects bother you or do not go away. Feeling sick, like having nausea, diarrhea, and if you see this directly, go to your doctor if you are taking amoxicillin. There are other serious side effects which are not diarrhea or nausea, because many drugs you'll find them having those side effects, but the other serious ones. Serious side effects are rare and happen in less than 1 in 1,000 people. Diarrhea, possibly with stomach cramps that contains blood or mucus, or severe diarrhea that lasts for more than 4 days. Pale poo and dark pee, and the whites of your eyes or your skin turn yellow, although this may be less obvious on brown or black skin. This can be signs of liver or gallbladder problems. Bruising or changes in your skin color, joint or muscle pain that comes on after 2 days of taking medicine, a skin rash with circular red patches. This may be obvious on brown or black skin. Some of these serious side effects can happen up to 2 months or after 2 months, like after taking the amoxicillin prescription. The other serious allergic reactions, around 1 in 15 people have allergic reaction to amoxicillin. In most cases, the allergic reaction is mild and can take form of skin rash. Mild skin rashes can usually be treated by taking antihistamines. In rare cases, amoxicillin can cause a serious allergic reaction which is called anaphylaxis, and these are not all side effects of amoxicillin. For a full list, you can visit your medicine packet. You know, when you are given tablets, there's an inside paper that you can read which will be containing more about this. Like, how do you cope with side effects of amoxicillin? Like, what do you do about it? Like when you are feeling sick, stick to simple meals and do not eat rich or spiced food, it might help to take your amoxicillin after a meal or a snack. Like when you're experiencing diarrhea, drink plenty of fluids such as water or swash to avoid dehydration. Signs of dehydration include peeing less than usual, having dark or strong smelling pee. Do not take any other medicine to treat diarrhea without speaking to a pharmacist or doctor. If you take contraception and you have severe diarrhea for more than 24 hours, your contraceptive pills may not protect you from pregnancy. Check the pill pack to find out what to do. Like, how about this drug during pregnancy and breastfeeding? Like, amoxicillin is very safe. It's very safe because you can take it during pregnancy and there is no anything bad associated with that. And amoxicillin, when taken during breastfeeding, it is okay to take amoxicillin while breastfeeding. Information shows that only tiny amounts of amoxicillin get into breast milk. Such as levels are not expected to cause side effects to your baby, so you can take it when you are pregnant, when you are breastfeeding. Amoxicillin is safe for that. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist or visitor or midwife if your baby is not feeding as well as usual. They have sickness or diarrhea, your baby has oral thrush or skin rash, you have any other concerns about your baby. So when you are taking this and you see those things on your baby, directly talk to your health consultant. And another one is about cautions with this medicine. Though we said it is safe, but there are some cautions that should be taken. There are some medicines that do not mix well with amoxicillin. Tell your doctor if you are taking any other medicines before you start amoxicillin. One of those include methotrexate, used to treat arthritis and psoriasis, and another one is warfarin, which is a medicine to prevent blood clots. Good medicines called probenecid or allopurinol and other antibiotics might not fit with this amoxicillin. Tell your doctor if you recently had or due to have or an oral typhoid vaccine. Amoxicillin can make it less effective. There is a little information about taking herbal medicines and supplements alongside amoxicillin. Thank you for being with us. Stay in touch. Please subscribe, like, and comment and share for other people to know about this.